What if I told you that you can earn money right from your smartphone without a boss, without fixed hours, and sometimes even without doing much at all? In today's digital world, making extra cash has never been easier, thanks to the innovative apps designed to reward your skills, time, and even daily activities like walking. Whether you're a freelancer, a fitness enthusiast, a creative photographer, or just someone looking for quick side gigs, there is an app out there for you. In this guide, I'll walk you through 5 powerful apps that can help you start earning real money today. No gimmicks, no get-rich-quick schemes, just legit ways to make money with your phone. Let's dive in. Fiverr is a popular online marketplace where you can sell various digital services, including graphic design, content writing, video editing, voiceovers, and even programming. The platform allows users to create gigs, which are essentially service listings. You set your own price, starting at $5, but you can charge much more depending on the complexity of the task. This is how Fiverr works. You sign up and create a seller profile. You list your services with clear description, prices, and turnaround times. Buyers place orders and you complete the work. After delivery, you get paid and Fiverr takes a small commission. These are some of the advantages of Fiverr. No need to find clients yourself. Buyers come to you. 2. Great for skilled professionals in various fields. So if you're a professional video editor, you can sell your services in Fiverr. 3. The more positive reviews you get, the higher your earnings. Some of the disadvantages of Fiverr include high competition, so beginners may take time to get orders, and Fiverr takes 20% cut from each sale. Fiverr is best for writers, designers, marketers, coders, and anyone with a digital skill. Upwork is another freelancing platform, but operates differently from Fiverr. Instead of listing gigs, freelancers bid on job postings from clients. You can find work in various categories, including writing, graphic design, software development, customer support, and more. This is how Upwork works. You sign up and create a profile showcasing your skills. Browse the job listings and submit proposals. If the client selects you, complete the work and get paid. Some of the advantages of Upwork include: clients often offer long-term projects. You set your rates and negotiate the pay. Payments are secure, and Upwork has a dispute resolution system. Some of the disadvantages include high competition, especially for beginners, and also Upwork takes a fee of 5 to 20% depending on how much you earn. Upwork is best for professionals looking for short-term gigs and long-term remote jobs. Sweatcoin is an app that rewards you for walking. It tracks your outdoor steps using your phone's GPS and converts them into a digital currency called Sweatcoins, which can be redeemed for rewards, cash, or donations to charities. This is how it works. Download the app from Play Store or App Store and let it track your steps. Earn Sweatcoins for every 1,000 steps you take. Exchange your Sweatcoins for discounts, gadgets, or even PayPal cash. Some of the pros include: encourages a healthy lifestyle while earning. 2. It is easy to use, just walk and earn. It offers various redemptions. Some of the disadvantages include: it doesn't pay in direct cash immediately. Mostly, it pays in discounts and offers. Only outdoor steps count. Indoor steps may not be counted accurately. It is best for people who walk and run daily and want to earn rewards passively. If you love photography, Foap is a great way to make money by selling your photos and videos. The app connects photographers with brands looking for unique content. You can upload high quality pictures and then someone buys them. You earn money. This is how it works. Create an account and upload your photos. Set a price, usually $5 to $10 per photo. When a company buys your photo, you get a share of the profit. Some of the pros include great photographers of all levels are included. Passive income. You upload once and earn multiple times as long as your photo is bought. Next, companies frequently hold commissions where you can submit themed photos for extra earning. It's only that it takes 50% of the commission, and high competition, only top quality photos are sold. It is best for photographers and content creators looking for income. TaskRabbit connects people with local tasks that need to be done, such as furniture assembly, moving assistance, home repairs, and even running errands. It's an excellent app if you prefer hands-on work over digital gigs. This is how it works. Sign up and set your service area. For example, moving help, cleaning, handyman work, etc. Clients post tasks and you can apply for them. Complete the task and get paid. The advantage of TaskRabbit is it is flexible because you can choose the task that you want to do. It has a higher earning potential for skilled tasks like plumbing or electrical work. It has quick payouts. It's only available in certain cities, and TaskRabbit takes 15% service fee. It is best for people who enjoy hands-on jobs and want to earn money in their local area. Each of these apps serves a different purpose, so the best one for you depends on the skills and interest. If you have digital skills, Fiverr or Upwork are great. If you want to earn passively, Sweatcoin is worth a try. If you love photography, Foap can be profitable. And if you prefer hands-on jobs, TaskRabbit is a solid option. Which one do you think suits you best? See you in the next video.